Sarve Jana Sukhno Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is your Dr. Bapuji Pullepu alias Dr. BP. See, here we do the how to find the eigenvalues and eigenvector. Initially I will do for eigenvalues, then I will go for the eigenvectors. Two problems I will do, how to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors. See, the theory part of the mathematics is different and the attacking the problem is different. You can attack easily, nicely if you little bit concentration, then means you can attack nicely, you will enjoy with maths. The theory is different. Okay, definition is something you had there. If you want, you can keep in mind, otherwise leave it. But as engineering field, you need how to attack the problem. Just here I am there, how to help you. Suppose if they ask, here I am not doing eigenvectors, I am doing only eigenvalues. The same problem if they ask eigenvector means what? You have to find eigenvalues. Once if I find the eigenvalues, taking one eigenvalue for corresponding eigenvector I want to find out. So every problem same story, only first step only I am doing here. If they ask eigenvectors, again I will find eigenvalues, then I will find eigenvectors. There I will tell previous video already we know that you can see that like this. There I don't want to see the eigenvalue. Same problem if comes. If it is different problem, we attack. You don't worry. Then see, now I am taking 2 by 2 matrix. If they ask eigenvalue means what you can write characteristic equation. Hereafter I will call CH equation. But you can write, because I am lazy feel I am writing CH equation. First always you can find CH equation. What is the CH equation? Determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. So take any matrix. Then this suppose 2 by 2 I am considering. On diagonal element you can give the minus 4 minus lambda 1. On diagonal element you can give the minus lambda 3 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. That is equal to what? Determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. This is expansion, but 2 by 2 matrix is very easily we can expand. In case of 3 by 3 somewhat headache. So I will get, actually here also I will follow little bit small things I will follow. Then how I will write, this is I will get second order lambda, polynomial of second order. So lambda square minus s1 lambda plus s2 is equal to 0. Plus minus plus. So lambda square coefficient always you can keep 1. Now who is my s1? Sum of the diagonal elements. Sum of the diagonal elements. A11, A22. So 4 plus 2. Actually diagonal elements meaning means what? I is equal to j means that is called diagonal elements. Actually they will have principal diagonal, leading diagonal, other some diagonal. I don't want actually diagonal only what? I is equal to j means is elements called diagonal elements. Whatever may be principal or leading, nothing, whatever may. So this is what? 1, 1, A11, A22. So these only diagonal elements. Then S2 is what? Determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to what? Determinant is different, matrix is different. Matrix you can keep in brackets, determinant you can keep in straight lines. 4, 1, 3, 2. So this is equal to what? 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. So everything in my hand, just you can go back and substitute this, what you will get? Lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 5 is equal to 0. S1 is minus 6, S2 is 5. If you factorize means what I can factorize very nicely. If I multiply, I want to get plus 5. If I add minus 6, so minus 1, minus 5. Take lambda square coefficient 1, I can write directly. Other than 1 means what? Middle term I want to adjust. So lambda is equal to 1, 5 are the eigenvalues. Here I told you I am not going for the eigenvector initial stage only. I am in the initial stage. Later stage I will tell you. Clear or not? Okay. Now 3 by 3 matrix I will tell you how to do. Shall I rub off? Yes. See, if I take 3 by 3 matrix, same story. I will write characteristic equation first. Determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. What I told you immediately on determinant, on diagonal element you can give minus lambda, minus lambda, minus lambda. So what will get? 2 minus lambda, 2, 0, 2, 1 minus lambda, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. This if we expand somewhat headache, 2 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda into minus 1 lambda, AD minus BC something lambda cube 3 times somewhat headache. Instead of direct, like if you want you can expand. I am not telling you don't do like this. I never say you can follow my method. Which is easy you can take it for granted. That is your wish. We never restrict. You can learn, get the marks means enough for us. Whatever method you can follow, whoever maybe can follow, it doesn't matter. I am the happiest person in this universe once if you get the good marks. That's it. So now this how I will write, I will get the third degree polynomial of lambda, that is equal to how I will write lambda cube minus s1 lambda square s2 lambda minus s3 is equal to 0, plus minus plus minus. Now who is my s1? Sum of the diagonal elements, a11 plus a22 plus a3. Who is my s2? Cofactors of diagonal element are minus, both are same meaning because there is no effect. Actually cofactor means what? Minus 1 power I plus j mij, plus minus, but minor means what? You don't use. But in case of diagonal, same story only, always plus only. You will get minor and cofactor only same, whatever may we connect. Just I am writing cofactor, minor, whatever, just you can check. Some textbooks they will tell minor, some textbooks they may tell cofactor. So I will write C11, C22, C33. Now S3 is equal to what? Determinant of A. Any problem? Right. Now one by one you can find out. This fellow is equal to what? A11, A22, A33. Who is my A11? 2, A22 1, A33 minus 3 is equal to 0. Happy. Then what is my C11? Leave this row and this column. So what you will get? 1, 1, 2 minus 3. Then this and this you can leave. 2, 0, minus 7, minus 3. 2, 0, minus 7, minus 3. This diagonal, this element cofactor. This element cofactor means what? This element where it stands, that row, that column you can omit. This column, this row if you omit means what you will get? 2, 2, 2, 1. Then this is equal to what? Minus 3, minus 2 plus minus 6. Then this is what? 2 minus 4. Correct or not? Now what you will do? This plus 2 minus 2 may cancel. This is equal to what? Minus 9 minus 4, 13. So second fellow also happily I got. Now I want to find out S3. What is my S3? Determinant of A. How we will find determinant? You are familiar already. You have done 3 by 3 matrix determinant, you know. So shall I rub off? I am coming this side. I don't want to rub there. I am finding determinant here again. I am coming left side. Now determinant of A is equal to how we will do? 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 1. Minus 7, 2, minus 3. Then 2 into, leave this row, this column. Again same story. Minus 3, minus 2. I am skipping. Then second element you can give always minus. Leave this, leave this. So what you will get? Minus 6 plus 7. Leave this. No, leave this, leave this. Minus 6 plus 7. See how many times you can see different matrices you will get make mistakes. I mean myself I will do lot of mistakes because plus minus small mistakes I will do. Then 0 into anything is equal to waste. I don't want to take this. 0 into 10 lakhs also waste. So 2 into what I will write actually? Minus 5. Then minus 2 into 1. 0. So this is equal to what? Minus 12 is equal to S3. If I go back and substituted, what I will get actually? Getting or not? So what is my S1? 0. My S2 is equal to what? 13. My S3 is equal to what? Minus 12. Reaching or not? Now go back and substitute in this equation. What I will get? Shall I rub off here? If I substituted, this is equal to what I will get? Lambda cube. This become vanish plus 13 lambda minus 12 is equal to 0. Sorry, lambda cube. So second degree term is missing. So I want to find the roots. How I will find out? You know method of induction. Put lambda is equal to plus 1, lambda is equal to minus 1 where it satisfies. You can now lambda is equal to 1 means what you will get actually? No, lambda is equal to minus 1 means what? Which is the root you can check. Lambda square 13 what? Plus. This is also plus, I think so. This is minus, minus, plus. Getting or not? S2 value you can check. What is S2 value? S2 value minus, I think so. That's why I can write. Now you see. Now we can see. Put lambda is equal to 1 means what? Lambda is equal to 1 means what? 1 minus 13 plus 12 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 1 means 1 root. So the whole equation I can write lambda minus 1 into something. This something finding I will go for the synthetic division. You know, you are familiar about. So this whole equation how can I write? Lambda is equal to 1 is 1 root means what? Lambda. Suppose if it is equal to 1 not satisfied means what? I will put minus 1, 2, minus 2. Method of injection I am injecting slowly one by one value. Where I will get 0 will stop. Then I will find the next second degree roots. Already I got lambda minus 1. From this if I take lambda minus 1, the balance term is the second degree. So how to find second degree? Wait, I will tell you. Then using synthetic division how we will do? This is already 9th standard itself. We run factor theorem, root theorem, everything you studied. Lambda cube 1, lambda square 0, lambda's coefficient minus 13, 12. 1 below, this is 1 is equal to 1 root I can write. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 12. So if you don't get the remainder, this is 0. This is not a root. You studied remainder theorem, factor theorem in 9th standard, just recall. So this how can I write? Lambda minus 1. Already 1 degree I pulled out. This I want to start with the second degree. Lambda square plus lambda minus 12 is equal to 0. So lambda minus 1. So this roots what? Multiply means minus 12, add means 1. So 3 into 4 I will take, plus 4 minus 3. Lambda plus 4, lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 1, 3 minus 4 are eigenvalues. If they ask eigenvector, you have to do up to here. Next again another half an hour work is there. Thing is what? Slowly you can do. It's not a big bombastic sum actually. It's not a very big sum. It's not nothing. It's plus minus determinant and cofactor. Then factors. Already what you studied in 9th class, same thing you are doing. The way of expression is different. How to attack like this. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. We meet in next video. Bye.